So another big topic that in the store that comes up quite a bit is we have a lot of people that want to clean the inside barrels of their rims. So a lot of people got these newer cars of either matte black or they got the gloss black rims, and they want to make sure they're nice and they don't get scratched up. Well, at the end of the day, if you're going to be cleaning your rims a lot, there's a possibility that it will get scratched up again. Otherwise, you're going with like a lot of soap to make sure that you have tons of lubrication to make sure you're not damaging anything. But I just want to go over some of the brushes that we sell. So MaxShine has a microfiber wheel brush kit, and it comes with 3 different sizes. You have a small, medium, and large. So this is the smaller one, but like I said, there's a medium and a large option in there. The thing I like about these is it has like the nice handle to grip it, and then it has a little knuckle guard so your hands don't go and smack into the rims when you clean it. But on this particular rim, this is a pretty easy rim to clean because you have plenty of room, but as you can see, you can get pretty far in there to actually go and clean them. I'm gonna be completely honest, on a lot of these newer cars, you tend to not really need the bigger one, but the medium and the small you'll use quite a bit, and I, to this day, still have a set of these where the MaxShine actually used to paint these yellow, and then this part was black. And I still have the set, guess what? They lasted that long. So our other options that we have in the store are your more traditional, they call these the spoke brushes. So you have your large, and then you have the small. So this one, you'll probably use a lot more, especially if you guys have BMWs, Audis, anything that's got those huge calipers and huge brake systems that are in there. You can get behind this because the big thing with these is that they conform. So when you push these down, these can kind of get flat. So even this large brush, you can probably get behind a caliper if you were to shove it all the way in there. The only thing I caution people on with this particular one is if you have a very nice set of very nice gloss black rims you spend a lot of money on, you don't want them to get scratched up. If you're gonna use these, just stick to the barrels. We've had people come in and they're going like this and they're scratching the sides and stuff and they're scrubbing. These aren't the softest brushes. That's why I usually recommend if you have a nice set of rims, you go with the microfiber ones. And a lot of people are always asking like, well, are these gonna actually clean? If you guys are using higher quality wheel cleaners that are gonna go and break down all the iron and stuff and the buildup, the road film buildup that's on the tires, usually, if you got a wheel bucket that's filled with your favorite wheel cleaning soap or just some kind of soap and you have enough lubrication, these microfiber brushes will do a good job of actually pulling all the stuff off, and you're almost looks like you're painting the dirt like Bob Ross. I used to have a ton of hair, I cut it off, but it looks like it's like Bob Ross painting the dirt off, especially if you're going with some nice detail brushes. But if you guys are car wash or more of a detail shop and you're really trying to get down and dirty, get some cleaning done, I would say definitely go with these. These also have little hooks on them. So this particular one has a metal hook on it, and then you have the smaller brush. The main thing is if you guys have, like I say, a pegboard or detail shop, you can hang these up and they can hang out to just kind of dry and do their thing. And the biggest thing I tell everyone here is if you're gonna use any acid wheel cleaners with these and with these kind of stuff, wash them out when you're done. If you take care of your products, you take care of your car, take care of your body, they'll last a lot longer. If you guys spray these and you throw them in a bucket and leave them in the garage for 6 months and then you decide to clean them again and start falling apart, it's because you didn't take care of it. So that's a little bit on wheel cleaning, and that's a little bit on, especially not just wheel cleaning, barrel cleaning. So this way, if you use these brushes, you can keep your barrels nice and clean. And then when you're done, you can go in with one of your favorite detail sprays or ceramic detail sprays, or coat the rims, and you're gonna have to clean them as often.